Hey, the seller sent me this faucet hose adapter for free. I'm going to check it out and give you my thoughts. So what this is used for, if you've ever had a sink and you've wanted to, fill up a bucket or just have a way to connect a hose, but it doesn't have any threads, this is what you're going to use this for. We'll take a look at the top piece here. So this is going to connect onto your faucet, and then you're going to tighten down this hose clamp to get a nice seal, and then you have water at your disposal. Let's go set this up on a sink. All right, we're going to demonstrate on my bathroom sink here. So we're going to take our adapter, we're going to put it right up to the faucet. We're going to tighten it down. You don't got to go super tight on this because it's not holding any pressure. We're just using this to get an extension so I can fill a bucket. So we'll go ahead, turn the water on. I like the 6-foot length on this because it gives me enough room to fill up a bucket nearby, but it's also not big and not huge where it's going to be a pain to store. So you can see right now, if I want to do some cleaning or if I want to fill something bigger than what my sink allows me to fill, I can simply hook this up really quick and fill whatever I need to. And then when you're all done, I would just make sure you drain all your water out. And then you simply unscrew this, pull it right off, and your sink's back to normal. So overall, I think this is a nice, convenient way to hook a hose up to your faucet sink so you can fill a bucket or whatever you want to fill.